2.
1, 2, 3. What's on the feet?
You know what comes after 3.
6.
No.
7.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do another time today up here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, no, no. Nope, Lily. Nope. Not a good idea. No headstands. Count. Whoa!
Okay.
Lily,
don't do that again.
I do want a 4.
Yeah, you can do a somersault on the floor.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. See your mom and dad?
Yeah.
It was a big one.
Oh,